Welcome. Before we begin, this smoothie tastes like a chocolate peanut butter milkshake from a diner, but it has 25 grams of protein, no protein powder, no refined sugar, and enough healthy fats and fiber to keep you full for hours. The peanut butter and hemp seeds provide the protein. The raw cacao gives you real chocolate flavor with more antioxidants than processed cocoa, and the medjool dates replace sugar with nature's own caramel. This is the smoothie that makes people say, "Wait, this is healthy?" Step 1. Gather your ingredients. You need 2 tablespoons natural peanut butter with no added sugar, 1 ripe banana that has been peeled and frozen, 1 cup oat milk, 1 tablespoon raw cacao powder, 2 pitted medjool dates, 1 tablespoon hemp seeds, and 3 to 4 ice cubes if your banana is not frozen. Step 2. Ingredient quality matters here. Natural peanut butter should have exactly 2 ingredients: peanuts and salt. Skip anything with added sugar, palm oil, or hydrogenated oils. Raw cacao powder is different from cocoa powder. Raw cacao is unprocessed and retains significantly more antioxidants, magnesium, and iron. You will find it in the health food aisle. And make sure to pit your dates. Biting into a date pit in a smoothie is not pleasant. Step 3. Add 1 cup oat milk to the blender first. Oat milk is naturally creamy and slightly sweet, which complements the peanut butter and chocolate flavors perfectly. You can substitute almond milk, soy milk, or regular milk, but oat milk gives the richest texture without dairy. Step 4. Add the 2 tablespoons peanut butter, frozen banana, 1 tablespoon cacao powder, 2 pitted dates, and 1 tablespoon hemp seeds. The peanut butter may stick to your spoon. Use the frozen banana to push it off the spoon into the blender. Step 5. Blend on high for 60 seconds until thick, creamy, and a rich chocolate brown color. The dates may need extra time to fully break down. If you see small date chunks after 60 seconds, blend for an additional 15 seconds. The final texture should be completely smooth with no grit from the cacao or chunks from the dates. Step 6. Taste and adjust. If it needs more sweetness, add another date or a teaspoon of maple syrup. If the peanut butter flavor is not strong enough, add another tablespoon. If it is too thick, add a splash more oat milk. The ideal consistency is like a thick milkshake that you need a spoon for the last bit at the bottom. Step 7. Let us do the protein math. 2 tablespoons peanut butter provides 8 grams protein. 1 tablespoon hemp seeds provides 5 grams. 1 cup oat milk provides 3 grams. 1 banana provides 1.3 grams. The dates add about 1 gram each. Total, approximately 20 to 25 grams of complete protein from whole foods, with no processed protein powder, no artificial flavors, and no chalky texture. Step 8. Pour into a tall glass. For an extra indulgent presentation, drizzle a thin line of peanut butter on the inside of the glass before pouring, and top with a few cacao nibs and a thin banana slice. This smoothie is substantial enough to be a full meal replacement for breakfast or a post-workout recovery shake. Final tip: this smoothie keeps you full for 3 to 4 hours because of the combination of protein, healthy fats, and fiber. The peanut butter fat slows digestion. The fiber from dates and banana adds bulk. And the protein provides sustained amino acid delivery. If you are trying to build muscle, gain healthy weight, or simply need a breakfast that lasts until lunch without snacking, this is your smoothie. Make it a daily habit and your body will thank you.